Just now Muhammad Ali smashed a very nice and very huge six on the straight side. Plays on the front foot in defensive mood, and now comes Abdul Salam.
Saeed, कितने ओवर कराए नहीं? दो.
Abdul Salam on strike. A huge six. There is no doubt about it, and this is the classic shot of Abdul Salam. Just on the leg side, he hammered it away for 6 runs. A very mammoth shot and very lofty ball. What a nice shot. Abdul Salam is on strike again, passes through the umpire. And this time, just lets the ball go, and there is a good strategy from Abdul Salam. That ball was to be left and he did the same. Wide ball, and Abdul Salam try to negotiate with that ball. He fails and the ball goes back to the wicketkeeper. There is just 1 run for the wide. This ball just thuds on the pads. There is no run. Abdul Salam tries to hook it away for another mammoth shot, fails to negotiate with that ball. It starts from the 0 point, begins the hunt, and this time again Abdul Salam. अच्छा वो पता क्या है कि बाजू का स्निक होती है फिर पता नहीं लग जाता जब ये बॉल करा दें फिर आप शुरू करें ठीक है ठीक अब अभी वो स्टार्ट ले रहा करें जब बॉल करने लगे ना फिर थोड़ी 1 सेकंड के लिए and this time Abdul Salam will get 4 runs. But a nice shot. He just hammers it away on the leg side. There is no question of any fielder stopping that ball. That ball goes huge and it's wide away from the fence. And Abdul Salam now beginning the fireworks for Bhibani cricket team. The King Abdulaziz University team, the only team in its history. What a nice shot! Oh my God! There is no stopping. It's a huge ball. Only the clouds can stop this ball. What a nice six by Abdul Salam. What a lofty shot, very, very high ball, and there was no stopping of that ball. Abdul Salam just got it in time. 105 is the score. Here is Abdul Salam. As you can see him, he had some eye problem, but despite that, today what a name? Wide ball is a huge, much wide away from the leg off stump, and Ali doesn't try to negotiate with this ball. He understands that this was clearly a wide ball. Must depend on this pair now. What a shot! What a shot! And hammers it away on the onside. There is 1% he will be able to cut it off, and they go through for a very quick single. Ali now understands the importance of the singles, but he doesn't want to take any risk, and Abdul Salam was agreeing for the 2nd run. Ali denies it. What a shot! That is another 4 runs. Another 4 runs, and this time he slugs on the onside, in the deep onside, long off region, off region. No one can stop that, and this ball is goes for over the fence for 4 more runs. Oh my God! This is another great shot, but they will be able to cut it off right on the boundary. He just hammered straight away, and they go through for a quick single. 6 runs have come from this over so far. Oh my God! ये कौन घूम कर रहा है? जी साहब कौन है? ये कौन है जी?
आउट करने के बाद आपने इस पे कमेंट नहीं की कि बोल्ड कर दी।
Kamar just took a. Oh my God! Now Kamar is on a hat trick. Now Kamar, who was generating great pace here, very pacey balls, and is now on hat trick. And Imran has to prevent this hat trick. Let us see what happens. Kamar is on a hat trick. Kamar reaches his 0 point. He's just waiting. He's preparing for the ball. Must be in a predicament for the next ball. About to start. Now Kamar begins the hunt. Passes through the umpire. This is another wide. Oh, what a great! Got a double strike. And he was on hat trick. And now we have Akram. Akram versus Abdul Salam. What a nice try. He just stonewalls the ball. He understands that this man is the deadliest weapon in the Pak Kashmir team. Akram tries to generate some pace here, and he's known for his pacey balls. Starts from the 0 point. Passes through the umpire. What a nice shot! Oh my God! There is no stopping. And this man, Abdul Salam, is the one who will do the salvage for Bhibani team. Just 2 days back he came from Pakistan. He was on vacation, and we were waiting for this man. Oh my God, it's a good delivery, but very safe. Abdul Salam half-heartedly didn't want to negotiate, just swung the bat. Now Akram. Oh my God, they go through for a quick single. This is just butted on the boots, and they go through for a single. This is a leg by. Abdul Salam lucky to survive, but he showed his form and he showed how his class. What a gifted and buffeted player, Abdul Salam. Begins the chase. Akram. This is another wide. What a nice shot. Just hammers on the leg side. They go through for one, and that's all they will get, and they are happy because that brings back Abdul Salam on the strike. And Abdul Salam is making bonanza of his vacation today. What a great delivery. What a great delivery. क्यों? Very pacey delivery, kept low. मैं दरखास्त करता हूँ जनाब शाहिद साहब. Now I will request the chairman of नहीं यार कोई बात नहीं request the captain of the Pak Kashmir team to give this trophy to our chairman, and of course our man, Mr. Talib, please come, and Farhan Hafiz, the man of the match, will come, and captain of the Bhibani cricket team will come, and Abdul Salam and Ijaz and Shakil and co-founder and the oldest member, Mr. Ba Muhammad, received the part against the Pak Kashmir team. Bhibani team wins today in a very mammoth style, in a very stylish fashion. Thank you.